Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna make sea animals.
So this is called the Aqua Fairy kit from Mr. Toys. Let's go ahead and open this one.
Whoa.
Empty. What exactly is Aqua Fairy kit? Today we're going to make little sea animals. Alright, so let's start making some tiny little sea creatures. The first thing you need is a liter of water, and they also provide this tray. We have all the different colors, and we have some kind of special solution that is going to help create these little animals.
And we have little shells.
We have little shells, we have everything that we need here. So add this water in here. Get in there. Alright, now we have added 1 liter of water into our tray, and we're going to add this special solution. It smells like pepper. So here we have the little turtle.
You like turtles?
I do like turtles. We're going to put this one inside. Alright, so now our little turtle mold is washed, and then Alia said she wants a green turtle today. Whew, okay.
My tummy says I can't put so much.
Okay, now look here, okay? We're going to take our little turtle. Alright, so now we have tried blue and green. You use 2 colors on your shark.
Yes.
Or let's make 3 colors.
Yeah, orange, red, and purple.
Purple, alright, that's a great combination.
I think that would be nice.
I think so too.
No, some old crab are 3 colors.
Oh, so this is an old crab?
Yes.
Is it grandma crab?
Yes. No, it's grandma.
Oh, grandpa. Look, I made a worm. A sea worm. So right now you can see.
Oh, Mama, now this one.
This is our little whale.
Now this one's little now.
And we have another whale. 2 little whales.
I like the blue one.
And we have our little shark. Our little shark looks like this. We have a little crab.
And this is our starfish.
And here's a little turtle.
And here's an octopus.
Alright, so it's been a while, and these guys have really set really well. They feel like little rubber toys. So let's do 1 more. Alright, so you make another turtle.
Yeah.
I'm going to make another crab. Wow, yours looks great.
Yours looks a little bit great.
Just a little bit great. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that as a compliment. Alright, so when you first put them in, they're obviously very mushy. There we go, there's a new little crab. So at first they're very soft, very delicate, very mushy. If you leave it for a while, it's going to turn totally into like rubber. And somehow, let me show you this one. Here you can see the size of the whale mold. And this is the final product. So the size difference is quite big if you look at it like that. So it goes from being a flat kind of
Look
mold.
at mine.
Wow, that looks really good. Alright, so we have finished making tons of little sea creatures, and I would really like to show you what they look like. So after they've been in the solution for quite a while, they just turn into these really rubber-like little
look at
animals.
this little...
That's a little whale, right? So here you can see the little fish, the little whale, and it's round and it's soft. It's like a rubbery little toy.
This is my kind of crab.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Really colorful seahorse
Whoa.
with his funny legs. And again, it's like round and it's solid. This one is only one color because this was our first one that we did. So cute. This one was supposed to be a ball, but it turns out
And look
it's
at
kind
this
of like
one.
a whale. Really colorful.
Oh, look at my whale now.
We have another little whale.
That's my whale.
Thank you for watching us make these cute little sea creatures today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Until next time.
Bye.